Today, I'm waiting for my friends to join. It's just taking a long time. Oh, my friend joined. Okay. What's taking so long?
Hi, Zai.
Hello, Gabra.
Sorry.
You hit me. At least I have my phone. It's okay. Bruh, this house, it looks like so suspicious. This is for my friend.
Siapa dia? Nagsichuta. So, we need to wait, GB, about that?
Yes. Oh, shoot.
Siapa dia? So,
Okay,
okay, there's
my
GB.
friend is joined right now.
Yes, it's so many about.
This is our church, and this is our house and farm, and some supermarket school too. And this is my cow. Look at it. This is our stuff.
And this is my.
I didn't know.
Yes.
It's just a secret, bro.
Yes, so.
You need to put. You just need to put so do not enter, bro.
So, let's show to you how about now it look like. You look like so.
So this is my house. This is my living room.
About kitchen.
Yeah,
Look at me. I have a pet pig.
Then I have at the second floor is I have my bed and my chest is
Look at
so
the pig.
my dog Nathan. So let's go to the third floor, and this is I'm watching a view, so very relaxing.
Hello.
Let's go to down, bro.
Look at mine. I have a pig bed.
A pig, bro. Sit down.
This is true.
Yeah.
Hey,
Bro, what
guys.
the? Oh, nice house.
Oh my god, we're late.
For school, yeah.
Bayot bahala ka diha.
Bruh, guys, we are Philippines, but we can speak Visayan English.
We know Philippines. We start about Philippines.
Yeah. Oh, what taking so long, bro?
Yes, take it so long.
I think Steve is late. Oh, here he is. Okay, then.
No, look, I show. Oh my god, girl, no. So,
Bruh, I'm
I
supposed
need
to
to-
tell you.
yes.
I have a crush.
What gosh?
What the? Just secret. Then I need to go. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, shoot.
Oh my god. Girl.
I need to go to church, bro.
Yes, we need to go to church.
Oh, yeah, we need to pray. Okay.
Follow me, piggy.
Amen.
Okay, done.
Can I have your carrots?
Carrots, why?
I'm very so yummy.
Fine. Take one.
Thank you.
I need to get a new one. At least I have one.
Thank
left.
you. I will cook it. Oops, wrong house.
Yeah. Don't forget the bone meal, bro.
Yeah, it's about that. So,
Hey, I want to go to the church.
Go, bro. You do know how to go. Go down. And this is the supermarket. It's so shiny. Let me buy some diamond. Okay. Where's the money? Ching ching.
Amen. I want to go down. I have potion.
Wow, can you give me?
Okay. Here
Thank
we are.
you. Yay.
I only have a one potion.
It's okay. Oh, bro.
I need to buy.
I need to put it to my chest. Oh, shoot. Oh, bro. What did I put?
Ching.
Okay.
honey.
is potion. Potion of strength. Let's go.
Piggy and Fox. The pig likes carrot.
Time. Where is she, bro? Bruh, what the hell? What are you doing? So Kitty has a carrot. Bruh, I'm just kidding. Girl, do you have a... She's suspicious though. Oh, bruh, egg, what the hell? I have to go to...
Bro, look at this. A bedrock.
Yes.
We cannot break this.
Where's my friend? I think she's... What? I see I'm visible in here. Oh no. Yo. Stop pranking me, bro.
I'm not pranking you.
Who opened my fucking house?
I don't know.
You open it.
No.
Can you stop being lying, bro?
Kaya hindi na naman ko din here.
Bro.
I was AFK. you
AFK,
know?
shut up.
Oh my god, why are you rude?
I'm not rude, like your face, huh? Bro, stop being crazy, bro.
Can I
Get
have
out,
your milk?
bitch.
Milk die.
I don't have a milk, bro.
How about that cow?
Oh, just get it. So noisy.
The milk. So yummy.
Bruh. You need to tell me, bro.
So delicious.
Jibby,
What?
I need to give you something.
What?
Some diamond. It's only one, but I have a lot.
Thanks.
Welcome.
I need some air. Oh, I need some air, please, please. Oh my god. Look, Keke, I'm in the app.
What up?
In your house.
Bruh.
Noah, look up. I'm gonna fall.
Shit! No.
I'm gonna fall and dead in my life.
What bed? Oh, fine. How did you get there? Did you go to my second floor?
How we can go to end?
Come here, bro. Put a bitch out here. Huh? She's gone. Oh
Hey,
no.
look at your cows.
Hello.
Your cows is on.
Hello, GB.
Ah,
Oh shoot.
you almost died.
Go, go, fight.
Keke, I'm right here.
Where are you?
I'm up.
What up?
In your house.
Not the fucking house. How did you get there? Wait a minute. You're invisible, bitch.
No.
I need to go to the heaven.
I feel holy. Ayan, kasakit.
What the hell? I'm crazy, bro.
Oh my god, we need to go. Sinulog naman. Mag-pray ko.
Bro.
Apply the pictures. Pray ko, Lord. I feel holy.
What the hell? So crazy. So crazy.
It's very, very yummy, yummy.
What yum yum like your face?
Like now. Yeah.
I need to buy. Ching ching
Please
ching
stop
ching
following
ching.
Yummy, yummy.
Bruh! Can you please? Come here, bro. Come here.
Ala patay.
What you doing, guys?
She's trying to. I lost her.
I feel Holly. Yes, I'm slay. Oh no. I feel Holly.
What, Holly?
I'm up here. I'm gonna dead in the short way.
Dead, bro. Just gonna be dead.
I feel Holly.
Shut up, bro. You're so noisy.
Yes. Maybe we can end this video.
Bro, this is not yet our video, bro.
Bro, I'm not. I'm not.
Shut
Wait,
up.
mag-end na tayo video kay ma-play ta.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's go, D-Way. GB, come here.
Bro.
Come
Well,
here.
taking so long. Almost.
Yes.
Maybe.
GB, namin ta din sa church. I feel holy.
Wait for me.
It's a Dubai.
Saturday mo video na punta.
Yes, it is Saturday, but in Monday we are having class about that. So let's play. You can play game.
Okay.
Thank you for Lord.
Thank you for watching. Make sure like and subscribe. Bye.